Hello and welcome to this lesson 19 for A1 beginners with me, Kate. Today we're going to look at some present simple verbs and the use of those verbs in positive and negative sentences with the subject I. But first, some vocabulary. To live, to live. To live, to have, to have, to have, to work, to work, to work, to study, to study, to study, a lot, a lot, a lot. The centre of the city, the centre of the city, the centre of the city. Alone, alone, alone. A flat, a flat, a flat. Computer, computer, computer. A garden, a garden, a garden. A cat, a cat, a cat. Okay, so here I have some verbs. I have live, have, work, study. And I have some words in this box. With computers, in a flat, a cat, a garden, languages. Can we match the verbs with the words in the box? Let's get started. Live. Live with your parents. Live in the centre of the city. Live in London. Live in a flat. Live in a flat. What about have? Have 2 sisters. Have 3 children. Have a garden. Have a cat. What about work? Work for a big company. Work with computers. Work in the centre of the city. And the last one, study English, study a lot, study languages, study languages. Well done. Okay, what can you remember? Let's have a look here at live. What can you remember? Can you remember one phrase? Live with your parents. Live in the centre of the city. Live in London. Live in a flat. Live alone. What about have? What can you remember? Have 2 sisters. Have 3 children. Have a garden. Have a cat. What about work? What can you remember? Work for a big company, work with computers, work in the centre of the city. What about study? What can you remember? Study English, study a lot, study languages. Okay, let's have a look at how we use positive and negative sentences with the present simple tense with the subjects I, they, we, and you. Positive, I work in the centre of the city. Negative, I don't work in the centre of the city. Positive, they live in Scotland. Negative, they don't live in Scotland. Positive, we have a big house. Negative, we don't have a big house. And the last one, you study a lot. Positive. Negative, you don't study a lot. Well done. With the negative, we use the words do not. Contracted becomes don't. So we use that before the verb. Don't work, don't live, don't have, don't study. Well done. Okay, let's think about the pronunciation. Listen and repeat. Écoutez, répétez. Think about the stress. I live with my parents. I live with my parents. Next one. I work with computers. I work with computers. Good. I don't have a garden. I don't have a garden. Very good. I don't live alone. I don't live alone. I don't study German. I don't study German. Well done. So, can you write 4 phrases, 4 sentences about yourself? You can use these ideas. I live in, I have, I study, I work. Or negative, I don't live in, I don't have a, I don't study, I don't work. Can you write 4 sentences about yourself? I've done it for me. I live in Birch near Aubenay. I have 2 sisters, but I don't have any brothers. I study French and I work as a teacher. These are my 4 phrases, my 4 sentences. Can you do the same thing? I live in Birch near Aubenay. I have 2 sisters, but I don't have any brothers. I study French and I work as a teacher. Write your phrases in the comments below. I'd love to see them. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is the end of today's lesson. Coming next, in the next lesson, we think about present simple questions. Thank you for listening. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.